Cabin Crew Resource Management. Welcome to this detailed exploration of Cabin Crew Resource Management, CCRM, and its significance in the aviation industry. In this narration, we will cover the importance of CCRM, the role of cabin crew in ensuring passenger well-being and emergency response, and the key principles of resource management. Introduction to CCRM and its significance. Cabin Crew Resource Management, CCRM, is a framework designed to optimize the performance and safety of cabin crew members through effective teamwork, communication, and resource utilization. Originally developed from Crew Resource Management, CRM, used by flight crews, CCRM focuses specifically on the unique challenges faced by cabin crew. The significance of CCRM lies in its ability to enhance safety and operational efficiency. By promoting a culture of collaboration, continuous improvement, and proactive problem-solving, CCRM ensures that cabin crew can effectively manage both routine tasks and unexpected situations. This ultimately leads to a safer, more pleasant experience for passengers and a more efficient working environment for crew members. The role of cabin crew. The role of cabin crew extends far beyond serving food and beverages. Cabin crew members are responsible for the safety, comfort, and well-being of passengers throughout the flight. Their duties can be categorized into several key areas. Passenger safety. Ensuring passenger safety is the foremost responsibility of cabin crew. This includes conducting pre-flight safety briefings, demonstrating safety procedures, and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Cabin crew must also be vigilant for any potential safety hazards and take immediate action to mitigate risks. Passenger comfort and service. Providing excellent service is crucial for enhancing the passenger experience. This involves assisting passengers with boarding, addressing their needs during the flight, and managing any issues that arise. Cabin crew members must be attentive, empathetic, and responsive to ensure that passengers feel valued and comfortable. Emergency response. In the event of an emergency, cabin crew members are trained to respond quickly and effectively. This includes managing evacuations, providing first aid, and coordinating with the flight deck and ground services. Their ability to remain calm and composed under pressure is essential for ensuring the safety of all on board. Key principles of resource management. Effective resource management is at the heart of CCRM. Several key principles underpin this approach, each contributing to the overall effectiveness of cabin crew operations. Assertiveness. Assertiveness is the ability to express one's thoughts and concerns confidently and respectfully. In the context of CCRM, assertiveness is vital for ensuring that all crew members' voices are heard and considered. This is especially important in situations where quick decision-making is required. For example, if a cabin crew member notices a safety issue, they must feel empowered to speak up and address it, even if it means challenging a senior colleague. Training programs often include assertiveness training to help crew members develop this critical skill. Leadership. Leadership within CCRM is not limited to those in formal leadership positions. Every cabin crew member has the potential to exhibit leadership qualities, particularly in times of crisis. Effective leadership involves guiding and supporting colleagues, making informed decisions, and maintaining a positive, solution-oriented attitude. In emergency situations, strong leadership can make the difference between a successful resolution and a catastrophe. Leaders must be able to assess the situation quickly, allocate resources effectively, and communicate clearly with both the crew and passengers. Workload management. Workload management involves distributing tasks efficiently to ensure that all responsibilities are handled without overwhelming any single crew member. This requires careful planning, prioritization, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Effective workload management ensures that all tasks are completed promptly and to a high standard. It also helps to prevent burnout and maintain high levels of performance throughout the flight. Techniques such as delegation, time management, and the use of checklists are commonly employed to manage workloads effectively. Passenger well-being and emergency response. Ensuring passenger well-being and effectively responding to emergencies are critical aspects of a cabin crew member's role. CCRM provides the tools and frameworks necessary to excel in these areas. Passenger well-being. Passenger well-being encompasses both physical and emotional comfort. Cabin crew must be attentive to passengers' needs, providing assistance with seating, addressing medical issues, and offering reassurance during turbulence or other unsettling events. Effective communication is key to ensuring passenger well-being. By providing clear, timely information and responding empathetically to concerns, cabin crew can help passengers feel safe and valued. Training in customer service, cultural sensitivity, and conflict resolution equips crew members with the skills needed to manage a diverse range of passenger interactions. Emergency response. Emergency response requires a coordinated, well-practiced approach. Cabin crew must be prepared to handle a variety of emergency situations, including medical emergencies, fire, and emergency landings. CCRM training includes regular emergency drills and simulations, ensuring that crew members are familiar with protocols and can act swiftly and decisively. This training covers the use of emergency equipment, such as fire extinguishers and defibrillators, as well as procedures for passenger evacuation and coordination with emergency services. Strategies for effective passenger interaction. Effective passenger interaction is crucial for maintaining a positive atmosphere on board and addressing diverse needs and potential conflicts. Addressing diverse needs. Passengers come from a wide range of backgrounds, each with their own needs and expectations. Cabin crew must be adept at recognizing and accommodating these differences. This involves being culturally sensitive, understanding dietary restrictions, and providing appropriate assistance to passengers with disabilities or medical conditions. Training in cultural awareness and inclusivity helps crew members to anticipate and respond to diverse needs, ensuring that all passengers feel respected and cared for. Managing potential conflicts. Conflicts between passengers, or between passengers and crew, can arise for various reasons. Effective conflict management involves de-escalating tensions, mediating disputes, and finding solutions that satisfy all parties involved. Cabin crew are trained in conflict resolution techniques, including active listening, empathy, and negotiation. By remaining calm and composed, crew members can diffuse potentially volatile situations and maintain a safe, harmonious environment. In conclusion, cabin crew resource management, CCRM, is a vital component of modern aviation operations. By focusing on effective communication, teamwork, and resource utilization, CCRM enhances safety, efficiency, and passenger satisfaction. The role of cabin crew is multifaceted, encompassing passenger safety, comfort, and emergency response. Through the principles of assertiveness, leadership, and workload management, cabin crew can perform their duties effectively and collaboratively. Ensuring passenger well-being and responding to emergencies require a proactive, well-trained approach. By addressing diverse needs and managing conflicts, cabin crew can create a positive, inclusive atmosphere on board. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the principles and practices of cabin crew resource management.